Now, speaking of Maharashtra, well, the delayed monsoon is now beginning to take a toll on Mumbai's water supply, with the storage levels in the city's 7 lakes falling rapidly and the reserves estimated to last just about 40 days. Concerns over potential water shortages is now growing. Now, according to the hydraulic department of the BMC, the combined water shortage in the city's reservoirs has fallen sharply amid delayed monsoon and continued lack of rainfall. Now, the situation has triggered concerns over the supply stability, with the authorities already enforcing conservation measures. Let's get you this ground report.
Mumbai is heading into a serious water crisis right now, as the delayed monsoon, rising temperature and falling water levels in lakes have all come together. The big concern right now is that the city may have only about 40 days of water left if the situation does not improve soon. According to Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation's hydraulic department, the total water storage in Mumbai 7 supplying lakes has dropped to around 9.33%. That is very low for this time of the year, and officials are saying that the situation is becoming critical day by day because there has been no rainfall in the catchment areas so far. To give a clearer picture, Mumbai gets its drinking water from 7 different lakes: Tansa, Vihar, Tulsi, Bhatsa, Upper Vaitarna, Modak Sagar and Middle Vaitarna. And the current levels are worrying. Upper Vaitarna has already gone into dead stock, while Modak Sagar is still at 29%. Tansa at 4.4%, and rest of the lakes are also experiencing similar situation, the lower level of water storage. At the same time, Mumbai is also experiencing a rising temperature, which is increasing daily water usage. With more heat, people naturally consume more water, and that is adding extra pressure on the already low supply. Because of this situation, the BMC has already imposed 10% water cut. Daily water supply has been reduced to around 3,050 to 3,950 million liters per day. As a precautionary measure, strict water saving measures have been put in place. The water supply to construction sites and swimming pools has also been completely stopped. Commercial users are also facing restrictions. People are being encouraged to use bore walls and tanker water for non-drinking purposes like gardening and cleaning.
Well, lack of rainfall and delayed monsoons is now adding to the water crisis of Maharashtra. We'll be heading into a short break for now.